as the most precious metal. When we offer to the Buddha the best things that we have and the most precious of things that we can offer. This is a very special Buddha image. The sculptor in China says that's very special. It is carved out of white jade and it weighs 3 tons. And we also will be enshrining this Buddha. This is green jade, and it has been placed in candy in the Tooth Relic Temple to get some blessings there. We have this great opportunity here to connect and to help with the building of this Pusat Buddhis Dhammaduta Malaysia. We should all in our minds pray that this center will be able to help for the future, to prolong, to preserve, to promote the Buddha Sasana in this part of the world.
Itipiso Bhagava Araha Samma Sambuddho Vichacharana Sampanno Sukhato Lokavidu Anuttara Purisa Dhammasarati Sattadiva Manusana Buddho Bhagavati Swakato Bhagavataramo Sandetiko akaliko, ehipasiko opaneko, pacatang viritabo vinyuhiti.
释迦牟尼如来本师圣像安坐，如此大众恭诵心经诸业，正法永驻法。阿弥瑟斯尼，无色声香味触法，无缘界内之无异世界，无名亦无名界内之。
Bhavantu Sava Mingla, Rakantu Sava Divata, Sava Sanganubhavina, Sada Suti Bhavantu Te.
silisa nichang vata pachayeno Chattaro dhamma vadanti ayuvanno sukhang balang Ayurarogya sampatti sakasampatti mevacha Ato nibbana sampatti minate samijatu All these merits be dedicated for peace, for harmony, for stability in this country.